So my name's Matt. I've been doing property 6 months for as long as I've been on the academy, and yeah, so it's been good. It's been hard work, of course, but it's been enjoyable. I've loved every minute of it, and to be honest, it's changed my life. So yeah, no complaints. Yeah, loads of friends. I started with my brother anyway, so yeah, we met loads of friends. Obviously, the mentors are amazing. We built a big network just in property through the academy. So yeah, it's been good.
And what have you achieved in that time?
So we've taken on our own BRR. So I'm 23 years old. I'm due to be a homeowner, which I started with no money at all, which is amazing. So yeah, we've got that going on, and we're deal selling a little bit. So we're due to sell our first few deals. We've got them all lined up, and yeah, just sort of building the pipelines and just building for the future.
Great. And is that something you thought you could do without the academy?
Absolutely not. No way. All the small questions that you don't realize you have until you're doing it. It's amazing just being able to pick up the phone whenever you need it and speak to someone that's been there and done it. It's amazing.
Right. And so you're due to complete on the BRR?
Yeah, end of the month we're due to complete, hopefully in the third week, and yeah, from that point onwards we've got all the builders and everything sorted all through the academy.
What's the plan after that?
After that, we're looking to refinance and either go again, or we're looking to start getting into our own rent-to-rents around our area in Milton Keynes. So yeah, I mean, obviously at the minute we're mainly looking to deal sell, but yeah.
And would you recommend something like this to someone looking to start out?
Definitely. I wouldn't try without it. I feel like you could go down a bad spiral. So yeah.